How to fix Instagram black and white screen problem. Hello guys, welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram black and white screen problem. So if you are not able to open the Instagram and it's showing black and white, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So basically here what you need to do here, first of all, go to Play Store or App Store on your device, and then here you have to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, make sure that your Instagram apps is updated. And after, if your Instagram is not updated, make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, after updating your Instagram, kindly check it out. I think the problem will be solved, guys. Again, if it is not solved, then what you need to do is that you have to go to your phone settings on your device. There will be setting icon and go to apps or app management or install apps. Okay, and now here you have to go to app management, and here this is the place where you'll get the application, all the application apps which has been installed to your phone. So now here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, so here you have to do some settings. Okay, so just scroll down and click on storage usage. Simply tap on it, and then here you can see clear data. Simply you need to click on clear data, and then make sure to clear the data as well as the cache. Okay, after doing this, just go back and you have to click on force stop button. Simply click on force stop, and then you have to stop the force. Now here you can see the next thing is that permission button. Simply tap on permission, and here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, now after doing this, just go and check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. I hope this will absolutely help you out. But again, if it is not solved, then no need to worry. I'm going to show you some different tricks here. What you need to do is that you have to delete your Instagram from your device, and then switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you have to reinstall it from Google Play Store or App Store, and then log in it. The problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon on the next video.